Welcome to our video about the types of septic tanks and how to choose the right one for your needs. Septic tanks are an essential part of many residential and commercial properties, providing a reliable and efficient way to treat wastewater. In this video, we will explore the different types of septic tanks available in the market today, their advantages and considerations to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The first type of septic tank we will discuss is the traditional gravity septic tank. These tanks operate based on the principle of gravity, allowing wastewater to flow into the tank and separate into different layers. Solid waste sinks to the bottom, forming sludge, while lighter materials like oils and grease float to the top, creating a scum layer. The clarified liquid in the middle, known as effluent, is then discharged into the drain field for further treatment. Traditional gravity septic tanks are commonly installed in areas with appropriate soil conditions and sufficient space. Next, let's talk about aerobic septic systems. These systems introduce air into the septic tank, facilitating the growth of aerobic bacteria that break down organic matter more efficiently compared to traditional gravity tanks. The presence of oxygen in these tanks creates a favorable environment for aerobic bacteria to thrive, resulting in better treatment of wastewater. Aerobic septic systems are often recommended for properties with constraints such as high water table, poor soil quality, or those requiring higher treatment standards. Another type of septic tank commonly used is the anaerobic septic tank. Unlike aerobic systems, anaerobic tanks do not require oxygen for the treatment process. These tanks rely on anaerobic bacteria to break down organic matter in the absence of oxygen. Anaerobic septic tanks are generally simpler in design and require less maintenance compared to aerobic systems. They are suitable for properties with suitable soil conditions and do not have specific wastewater treatment requirements. Apart from traditional gravity, aerobic, and anaerobic septic tanks, there are other alternative options available. These include mound systems, drip irrigation systems, sand filter systems, and more. These alternative systems are designed to overcome specific challenges such as limited space, unsuitable soil conditions, or areas with high water tables. It's important to assess your property's needs and consult with a qualified professional to determine the best alternative septic tank option for you. To summarize, choosing the right septic tank for your property is crucial for effective wastewater treatment and long-term functionality. Depending on your property's characteristics, soil conditions, and treatment requirements, you can explore various options such as traditional gravity tanks, aerobic systems, anaerobic tanks, or alternative septic systems. Consulting with a septic system professional is highly recommended to ensure the right choice for your needs. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into the different types of septic tanks available. Thank you for watching.